We are back. I missed the last video. Finally got the car on the ground, which I did adjust off camera. So this is kind of the ride height. It needs an alignment. Need some camber taken out of it. Doing a few things, wiping off the cars. Shout out Darren for detailing my Z and the 14. Needs it too, but whatever. Let me know what you guys think of the height. They do not hit in the front or in the rear like Brian thought they would. They do clear. Very little camber all around the car. Late, I'm just chilling, doing miscellaneous things, cleaning up a little bit. But I did want to show you guys that. So probably tomorrow, might take it out, might drive it, do some body work on it, get it ready for paint because paint is coming very soon. And let me know in the comments if I should tint this thing because it is, fishbowl's sick, but I think tint would go crazy, or maybe like just the back half. I don't know. A few things I wanted to bring up. It's kind of a dilemma with the car. Proper way to do a K-series in a damn hatch. People use EG subframes, but everyone overlooked the fact that I have a JDM, obviously, right-hand drive, EK. That means is the steering column is notched in the subframe. So I can't use just an average, normal US EG subframe in the car, obviously. I need an EG rack. I need an EG subframe. It needs some stuff that is not easily accessible. I have to think about now what I'm gonna do. B-series would be sick. K-series would be sick. It's just a lot of money, guys. I don't know. To make it work, you need a lot of parts to put the K-series in these. Thinking to do. So that's that. A little catch you up. But I'm very happy with the height on it. I think it's very nice. It's very functional. Body is still stupid high, which is pretty sick. And it's low. I mean, it's not slammed, but I like that. You know, it's good. It's the car
on the ground.
Hell yeah. And what do the wheels do?
They roll.
They fit. Wait, did you see it like this? At this height? What do you think about this height?
Last night, I think.
Let me know what you guys think of the height, if I should bring it up a little more or not. And the rear's a little low.
I don't know, you gotta drive it.
Yeah, that I have to do.
Either way, you gotta get in alignment, but yeah, I guess the height you gotta pick first, huh?
The height, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
I like that. You think that's a good level, Djnoway?
I mean, what do you want to do?
I take the trim off. Brian did yesterday. This piece.
Too, this morning.
He wants me to take the door cards off. For what reason?
Because you're blending into the door. What don't you understand?
Not the inside of the door, though.
You gotta take.
You're not.
How do you take the door handle out? You do it from the outside or the inside?
Oh.
Look at this, virgin.
No.
Virgin.
No. Oh my God.
Rip it right away.
Oh, why did you rip it like that? That
listen,
shit is like mozzarella. Look at it.
Careful. He said like mozzarella. Open a fresh piece of lasagna.
Tube does not take swearing. You get immediate.
What?
Yeah.
We can't swear anymore?
We can't swear anymore. Not one word.
This is horse poop.
Dude, they cracked down.
That's probably good. You know, I mean, I feel like we should open our vocabulary a little bit more. Stop being so profane.
No, if someone swears,
what do we do?
Soap in the mouth. A little piece of soap.
Soap in the mouth, like the old days. Let's go.
Bite-sized pieces of soap, like mints.
Maybe we could buy shitty jelly beans. Say, is this for children or not children?
Yeah.
You say, not children. It's America. We should be able to say what we want.
Have you ever been to like a first grade classroom though? They're worse than high school kids. Swearing.
A long time ago.
Oh yeah. Dude, a 6-year-old.
We can't swear.
A 6-year-old shot their teacher the other day. It was on the news.
Yeah, but it was probably an accident.
It was not an accident. They got into an altercation and she.
That's why 6-year-olds shouldn't play Call of Duty.
So we're gonna continue to strip the car. Ant snapped his drive shaft. Not snapped it, but he's doing drive shaft maintenance.
Put the mirror back on like you're some kind of a genius.
Just leave it on.
Gotta paint the door.
Brian, you can't, dude.
Are you stupid?
Exhaust delete. Let's hear it. I like that. Kind of sounds like an M3. What? We'll cut those. No, we scrapped those.
Cats are part of the
We scrapped them. Brian said, I think if you just drove it, it'll balance itself.
120 on the highway.
This Djnoway made me get that. The oil's fine in it. It's still. Imagine the Jag. What? Keep it in first. You don't want to go forward. Maintenance day on the compressor. Djnoway smashed this gauge. I really liked it. It was just a good gauge. He put this stupid one on it now. It's like too new. You didn't even clean it off. Look how cheap this one is. That one's no good. This one was way better. New oil.
It's all fucking broken.
New, you can't swear, you're too. It's quieter too. Also, deconstructed the door handle, molding off, rear bumper off. So, paint soon. Very, very stoked for that. I didn't even drive it yet, but I'm gonna probably take it apart and then drive it and make sure it drives good. This is this green slime that you're applying to the car, Bri.
It's a fiberglass filler.
Okay, cheating a little bit.
This is what you wanted.
This is what I wanted. And this is great, you know why? Because down the road, you already...
Shut up, don't even start.
We don't gotta talk about it, Bri. Yeah. I think that would make you like the next Chip Foose, though, if you think about it. You know what I mean? Get your name out there. He's probably gonna pass away soon, and someone's gotta fill his shoes. Modern day Chip Foose.
There's lots of people who like to build crazy things.
I believe in you, Bri.
Thanks.
The RWB Civic thing, you could be the next anything. So how long do we have to wait for this to cure?
Not long.
Not long. This is great. Sam pulled up. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the chair, the rocker.
This thing's
20.
Whoever figured this
That's
one
yours?
out. No, he got this thing. It's a Secret Santa Plus.
Really?
Brian, he put this shit on it. It's great. Door cards are all off. This thing is becoming a bare shell soon enough. No mirrors anymore. It's all good though. It is. And whatever this stuff is that Honda uses, it's like no other stuff I've seen before. Painting cars, it sucks. There's no perks about it until it's done, which takes a while, but it ain't easy, right, Djnoway?
You're putting filler on, sometimes you just gotta worry about getting like an even amount of filler over the whole thing before you really worry about the shape.
Just mud it up, basically. Concentration is impeccable. Taking the trim off, so when we paint it, it's turning into something very big, but I guess this is the right way to do it, Brian said, so just listen to him. He knows. Going way further than I wanted to and thought we were going to. It's gonna be worth it at the end, so I'm stoked for that. And he's over here sanding the bondage, shaping it.
No, I'm all done.
What?
I'm all done.
Quick. See, the side skirts are off, bro. You wanted them off. They're off. You like that?
Yeah, I think it's dumb stuff.
Oh, they rotate out?
Yeah, you just take them all out.
This tool, bro. Little PDR.
I don't know. We're gonna have to.
It's a kit. They showed up from
Does it come with this?
one day a while ago, and I never used it. I don't know who sent the kit, but I got the kit, so shout out whoever sent the kit. Brian, he was opposed to
I
it.
need some like alcohol. Isopropyl.
99.
It was
You
a
got any Prepol spray?
yes, I do. PDR Brian, applying some hot glue. Don't get it on your finger.
Yeah.
Why don't you just use a hammer? Now that I think about it.
I don't know, because you guys said I got this, and I said, fuck it, let's give it a shot. I mean, I should have definitely preheated the surface.
It's gonna be promising.
Wait, what?
Oh, so we gotta rotate this cocksucker in here. Easy. Alright, broke immediately. Maybe I gotta let it. Alright, let's try this one. Blow on it first. So what do you do?
Alright, that didn't work for shit.
Push the glue up. Hot glue gun. I'm thinking what I could make with that.
What could you make?
I don't know.
You haven't thought much, apparently.
The things are escalating even more. Brian wants me to take the headlights out and the bumper off of it. We're not touching none of that. Just take the whole thing apart. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just take it apart. So, there it is.
It's bolted on the bottom.
No, it's not. I took the bolt out of it.
All of them?
Yep. It's fucking bolt on the bottom still, probably. Headlights are almost out, but that bolt might snap on the side. We'll just keep ripping it apart. But here is the state of it as this far. You guys think it's easy? They think it's easy. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Bumper's out, headlights are out, skirts are off, the trim is off, the mirrors are off, the door handles are off, the bumper is off, taillights are off, rear trim piece is off, the wing is off, the quarter panel is fixed. A lot has been done today. Side markers, it's on the ground. I did not drive it, which I probably should have, but I should probably do this. I guess I'm doing this first. It's just, it happens like that, and it's great. Definitely diving in a little deeper than I wanted to with the car, but do it right once, I guess. That's what I'm doing. So the car's completely stripped, damn near ready for paint. It's gonna be a quick scuff shoot. I don't know how much of the car I'm going to be painting, but it's probably gonna be damn near the whole car. Brian said, oh, just not the hood and the roof. But at that point, you might as well just do it. I don't know, we will see. But you guys gotta stay tuned because I don't even know. I don't even know, personally. But got the van in, the little vacuum on her. But stay tuned because I'm going to Chronic shop tomorrow. Gotta talk to him, gotta have a little discussion with the swap that I will be doing on this. He's gonna take me for a few test rides in a few of his cars because he's got cars. He's gonna let me see what it's all about, test a few things, talk about a few things, and all I know is I will not be running this engine in the car because they don't take boost. It's crazy. Honda, it's much different than I'm used to, but it's a learning experience and it'll be good. So definitely stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna see what he has. This is not what I wanted to do, but I guess we're doing it. With that being said, definitely stay tuned. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.